Hi, welcome back to another Pagefly video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell digital products on Shopify. So first of all, what is a digital product? By definition, a digital product represents a non-physical asset or piece of media that can be sold and distributed repeatedly online. Digital products most commonly come in the form of streamable or downloadable files such as PDFs, MP3s, video formats, templates, and plugins. So how to sell digital products on Shopify? Let's go to the Shopify admin dashboard. Here we are at the Shopify admin dashboard. To start selling digital products, we need to set up the product in the product section. Here we choose to add products. Here you should fill in all the necessary information, including the title, description, the media, pricing, inventory, etc. And don't forget to factor in some organization information as well, including product type, collections, tags, etc. So this is my example. Because we're selling digital products on Shopify, make sure that you uncheck the shipping section. So uncheck, this is not a physical product. By doing this, the customers won't enter their shipping address or choose a shipping method when buying this product. Next, we can tap Save here to save the product. To provide a download link to your customers for a digital product, you must use an app from the Shopify App Store. In this situation, we're going to use the Shopify Digital Downloads app because it is a free and simple app that you can use. Here we are at the Shopify App Store. You can find the Digital Downloads app by Shopify in the Orders and Shipping section. Now you can choose to add app. After that, you tap Install app. Here is the Digital Downloads app dashboard. Here we can choose to add a digital attachment by selecting View Products. Choose the product that we just created. More actions. Add digital attachment. To sell your customers an attached file, you gotta attach the file first. So here you can select to upload file. After you have configured a digital product, you might want to customize your email templates so that customers will know what to expect with their order. Here you can go to the settings. Choose to display a download link on checkout page. For the email templates, you can click here to customize your emails. For example, this one. After you've created a digital product, you should place a test order to make sure it works. Let's start with activating test payments. Enter settings, payments, activate the test payment provider. Here, click Save. Here I already activated the test payments. Now let's try purchasing our digital products. Here we are at the product page. Let's hit buy it now. In the checkout page, please provide all of the needed information. So here is my example. Choose to continue to payment. Pay now. So now please wait for your downloads to be prepared and processed. And this is the link to your digital product download. You can also check it out in your email inbox. Let's see what we got. Here is our order confirmation email. And this is the email to your digital download link. And so this is the end of the video. I hope now you guys basically understand how to sell digital products on Shopify. To learn more about Shopify and Pagefly in particular, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit us at pagefly.io. Thank you for watching.